Okay, so the topic that we'll have to discuss is the remainder and the factor theorems. So, remainder theorem is the definition of the remainder theorem is if the polynomial p of x is divided by the x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. In short, di ba nagkaroon tayo ng long division and also we discussed the synthetic division. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng R doon. So, yun yung ating kukunin doon. That is the remainder. Now, example, we have here find the remainder when the function of your x is equal to 6x squared plus 7x minus 20 is divided by 2x minus 5. And so, in this case, pwede tayong gumamit ng dalawa. You can choose it's either the long division or the synthetic division. So, let's use the synthetic division para mas magbilis. So, we have the 6x squared, 7x minus 20, then divided by 2x plus 5. So, meron tayo 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. So, meron tayo dito ng x squared, tapos x and c. Since kompleto naman ang ating ang ating series. So, kasama ng 6, yung x squared ay 6, kasama ng x ay 7, and kasama ng ang constant natin ay negative 20, and divided by, so from here, magkakaroon tayo ng 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then, transpose the constant, so magkakaroon tayo ng 2x is equal to negative 5. Divide both sides by 2. For x is equal to 5 over 2. That's negative 5 over 2. So, yun yung ilalagay natin dito. 5 over 2. Negative. So, ano ka ba bring down? So, we have to bring down 6. Then, multiply tayo. Laran tayo ng 6 times negative 5 over 2. So, laran tayo yung 6 times 5. This will be negative 30 over 2. Then, negative 30 over 2 is equal to negative 15. Ito yung lalagay natin dito. Negative 15. Then, 7 plus negative 15. What is 7 plus negative 15? This is negative 8. And after that, multiply ulit natin. So, multiply. So, naroon tayo dito ng negative 8 times negative 5 over 2. This will be positive 40. So, 8 times 5 ay 40. Then, divided by 2, this will be 20. So, yung mag-isikip natin dito is 20. Then, add, this will be 0. So, remainder. So, this is x squared. Magkaroon tayo ng x, c, and your r. So, magkaroon tayo ng 6x minus 8. Now, your r is equal to 0. So, yung r ang kinukuha natin. It's the remainder. That is a 0. Question? Clarification? Wala naman? Malinaw po ba? Sana. Wait lang. Okay, so, yes, Anton. What's your question?
Hindi na po siya i-divide ulit ng 2. Hindi na po, sir.
I-divide ng 2? Alin?
Yung 6x saka po negative 8.
6x at saka negative 8. No need. Kasi yan yung sagot natin eh. That is the quotient na. Kasi pag dinivide mo ng 2, pwede naman. Kaso, that is considered as the common monomial factor kasi common naman sila ng 6 at saka 8. Pero we are in the quotient eh. No need to simplify. Okay na?
Okay na po. Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, next is I want you to use your calculator. Pakilabas po muna ang mga calculator para mas mabilis tayo. Kasi hindi na tayo gagamit ng synthetic division. Gagamit lang tayo muna ng calculator. Okay? So, sana meron kayo niyan. Okay, so let's have the 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5, then divided by x plus 2. Then we have to find the remainder. In this case, gagamit tayo ng stated dito. We have to use the substitution. So from here, meron tayo ng x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, your x is equal to negative 2 kasi you have to transpose negative 2. Now, from here, karoon tayo dito ng the f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. Now, itong mga x na to, palitan natin ng negative 2. So, therefore, magkakaroon ka dito ng 2 times negative 2, then raised to 3 minus 3 times negative 2, then squared, plus 4 times negative 2 plus 5. Now, pakitype po sa calculator niyo mismo itong given na yan. Use the open and close parentheses. Now, to type in your calculator, karoon ka dito ng 2, open parentheses, negative, may negative tile talaga dyan, negative tapos 2. Tapos kung sa ibang calculator, meron na dyang ganyan, yung tile na ganito, pakipindot na yan. Kung wala naman, yung ganito, tapos 3. Then press equal. Pag na-type nyo na lahat yan, press equal. Minus 3 times negative 2, then 2 plus 4 times negative 2 plus 5. Ito yung sa mga maliliit na screen. Sa malalaking screen, may ganito kaya. May ganito kaya yung x to the 3. What's the answer? Yes, Aklaro.
Negative 31 po.
Negative 31. How about you, De Los Santos? What's your answer?
Same po. Negative
Same.
31.
Okay. So therefore, the r is equal to negative 31. Okay? Question? Wala naman. Let's find the answer in this given. So we have 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 1. Find the remainder. So in this case, magkakaroon na the value of your x is equal to negative 1. Tapos we will have 5x squared plus 3x minus 2. So this is the function of your x is equal to. Then papalitan mo yung 5, negative 1 squared plus 3 times negative 1 minus 2. Then, your answer will be what? De Los Santos again.
0 po.
0. How about the others? Yes, Amon.
4 po.
4. Yung iba ay 4. How about the others? Wala na? Yes, Sineta.
0 po.
0 din. Isa pa, to validate that this is 0. Yes, Aklaro again.
0 po.
0. Okay, so since tatlo yung sumagot na 0, that's 0. Let us check manually. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng 5 times 1 plus, that's negative 3 minus 2. So this is 5. This is negative 5. So therefore, the answer will be 0. So tama to. 0. The remainder or the r is equal to 0. Okay, the next is you have to finding the value of k. So the question here is the expression x cubed minus kx squared plus 5x plus 3 leaves a remainder of negative 11 when divided by x minus 2. So find the value of k. So in this given, nakaroon tayo dito ng p of x is equal to x cubed minus kx squared plus 5x plus 3. Yung remainder natin ay negative 11 is divided by x minus 2. So from here, x is equal to positive 2. So yun yun. Why it's positive 2? Kasi this transposition to get for the value of their x. Now, itong negative 11 na to, itong negative 11 na to, yan yung ating gagamitin later. So before that, let us palitan muna natin yung mga value ng x's natin. Yung papalit natin is positive 2. So the p of x, other. Ano tayo ng p of 2 is equal to parang tayo ng 2 cube minus k times 2 squared plus 5x times 2. Then times 2 plus 3. So pinalitan natin lahat yung x ng value ng which is 2. Yan, yung x is equal to 2. Then karon tayo dito ng p of 2 is equal to, so 2 to the 3 ay 8. Why it's 8? Kasi 2 times 2 times 2. This is 4. 2 times 2 ay 4 times 2. Tanong ka dyan ng 8. Tapos minus 2 squared. Ito yung 2 squared. 2 times 2. That is 4k. Tapos 5 times 2. So plus 10 plus 3. Then after that is itong p of 2 natin, yung p of 2 na yan, palitan natin ng negative 11 is equal to 8 minus 4k plus 10 plus 3. Now, simplify natin itong 8, 10, at saka 3. What is a simplify of 8, 10, and 3? And 1. Answer. Yes, Aure.
21 po.
21?
21.
Okay, so this is 21 minus 4k. So, yan. So, this will... 10 minutes na. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo na negative 11 minus 21. Saan ang galing ng 21? That will be from 8, 10, and 3. Yan yung simplify. Inad lang natin. Tapos yung minus 4k, just copy. And what are going to do with the 21? So, lipat natin dito. So, magkakaroon tayo negative 11 minus 21 is equal to 4k. That's negative. Then, simplify natin. Negative 11 and negative 21. This will be negative 32 is equal to negative 4k. Now, to find for your k, divide natin siya both side by negative 4. So, cancel out. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng k is equal to negative 32 over negative 4. So, therefore, yung k natin ay magiging positive kasi negative and negative is positive. What is 32 divided by 4? Yes. De Los Santos. Ang bilis naman na De Los Santos.
8 po.
So, this is 8. So, the value of your k is equal to 8. Question? Verification? Yes, klaro. The question?
Sir, saan po nakuha yung negative 11?
negative 11. So, itong negative 11 na to, ito ay, sa isa kanina, pinalitan natin yung P of 2. Yung P of 2 mismo ng ito. From here. Leaves a remainder of negative 11. Okay?
Okay na po.
Okay. Let's have another example. We have the expression 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus ax minus 2 leaves a remainder of positive 3 when divided by x plus 1. So, remainder natin ay 3. Yung x natin dito, x is equal to negative 1. Kasi x plus 1. Then, garon tayo dito ng P of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus kx minus 2. Palitan natin yung P of x. Yung x ng P ng negative 1 is equal to 2 times negative 1 cubed plus 3 times negative 1 squared plus negative 1, then x, baliktad. Yung x pala. Ano ginagawa ko? That's k times negative 1 minus 2. Yan. So, p of negative 1, simplify muna natin. So, this is 2. Yung simplify na negative 1 to the 3 is negative 1 pa din kasi you will have negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. This is positive 1. Let's multiply mo kay negative 1. Still, it's negative 1. Tapos, plus 3 times 1. Tapos, k times negative 1 is negative k minus 2. Then, simplify natin. This will be 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 3 times 1 ay 3 minus k minus 2. Then, p of negative 1. Now, si p of negative 1, papalitan natin siya ng 3 is equal to, the simplify of, sabihin natin this is negative 2 plus 3 minus k minus 2. So, 3 is equal to, simplify natin yung 2, negative 2, 3, and negative 2. What's the answer? Aklaro again.
Negative 1 po.
Negative 1.
1.
Okay, so magkaroon tayo ng minus k. So, saan nanggaling si negative 1? That is negative 2 plus 3 minus 2. So, that is negative 1. So, lipat natin to dito. So, this is 3 plus 1 is equal to negative k. So, naroon tayo ng 4 is equal to, bakit siya 4? 3 plus 1 ay 4 is equal to negative 1. We have to divide by negative 1 kasi k ang hinahanap natin. Kasama ni k ay invisible negative 1. So, therefore, k is equal to negative 4. Question? Wala naman. Clarification. Okay, so let's have the factor theorem. So, in the factor theorem is the p of x is equal to q of x multiplied by the x minus a and plus p of a. So, the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of p of x, then r is equal to 0. And so, p of a is equal to 0. Then, if p of a is equal to 0, then r is equal to 0. And so, x minus a is a factor of p of x. Ang gulo, no? In short, ganito lang yan. Kapag ang sagot mo ay 0, after substitution, factor siya. Kapag hindi, hindi siya factor. So again, kapag ang sagot ay 0, factor. Kapag hindi factor. So yun lang po yun. That is the short factor. Okay, so let's determine whether x minus 4 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. So again, the value of your x here is tayo ng value of your x. Determine natin if the x minus 4 is a factor. So x is equal to positive 4. Then, you will have here the function of your x is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. Then, this will be equal to 4 the cube minus 2 times 4 squared minus 11 times x plus 12. Now, paki-compute po. What is f of 4?
Sir, may nakalimutan po kayong paltan na x.
Na? 4
Doon po sa negative 11.
Okay. That's 4. So, ganda naman ng background ni Chelsea. Parang nasaan siya. Sa hotel ka ba? Paano all? So, you have 4 cubed minus 2 times 4 squared minus 11 times 4 plus 12. Yes, aklaro again. Alam mo kung sa dati kung si aklaro?
0 po.
0. How about the others? Del Mundo.
0 din po.
0 din. So, if the answer is 0, so therefore, x minus 4, therefore, yung tatlong dot na triangle that is therefore, x minus 4 is a factor. It's a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. So, yun ang po yan. Okay, next. Determine whether x minus 4 is a factor of 2x cubed plus x squared minus 2x minus 15. So again, your x is equal to positive 4. The function of your x is equal to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 2x minus 15. So f of 4 is equal to 2 times 4 cubed plus 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 15. So your f of 4 is equal to what? Aklaro again. Bilis naman yung klaro talaga.
121 po.
121. How about the others? Pulintan, what's your answer?
Parehas lang po.
Parehas din. How about Junela?
Ganun din, sir.
Okay, so therefore, the function of the f of 4 is equal to 121. Then we have to conclude that therefore x minus 4 is not a factor of 2x cubed minus plus x squared minus 2x minus 15. Okay, so let's have this. Find k so that x plus 3 is a factor of 2x cubed plus kx squared minus 8x plus 3. So again, we need to find for the value of the k. So, mag-aral tayo dito na yung x mo ay yung x natin dito is equal to negative 3. And p of x is equal to 2x cubed plus kx squared minus 8x plus 3. Then, palitan natin itong p of x natin ng negative 3 is equal to 2 times negative 3 cube plus k times negative 3 squared minus 8 times negative 3 plus 3. And simplify lang natin siya. So, magkakaroon tayo ng p of negative 3 is equal to, so this will be 2 times negative 27 plus that plus. Ba't siya 27? Kasi ito ay negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. This is 9. Tapos times negative 3. So, it will be negative 27. Tapos 3 squared is plus 9k. Tapos 8 times 3, that's positive 24 plus 3. So, magkakaroon tayo ng p of negative 3 is equal to, what is the simplify of this, and this? Klaro again.
Negative 27 po.
So, this will be negative 27 plus 9k. So, yun yung simplify niyan. So, magkaroon tayo ng 2 times negative 27 plus 24 plus 3. This will be negative 27 plus 9k. Now, this p of 3, papalitan natin siya ng 0. Bakit 0? Kasi we are finding for the factor. Diba kapag sinabing factor, kapag 0 siya ay factor. So, that's why we are going to use 0. So, 0 is equal to negative 27 plus 9k. Then, itong negative 27 na ito, ilipat natin siya doon. So, magkakaroon tayo ng positive 27 is equal to 9k. Divide both sides by 9. So, magkakaroon tayo ng cancel out. So, your k is equal to 27 over 9. So, therefore, the value of your k is equal to, yes, Juncel.
3 po.
Okay, so 3. That's the value of the k, which is equal to 3. Question, clarification before we go to the next example? Okay naman, nasundan. Okay. Next, tayo muna yung mag-try. Find k so that x plus 3 is a factor of x cubed plus 3x squared minus kx minus 3. Find k. So, ang x natin ay is equal to negative 3. So, magkaroon tayo ng p of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared minus kx minus 3. Then, p of negative 3 is equal to negative 3 cubed plus 3 times negative 3 squared minus k times negative 3 minus 3. Ayan. Okay, so let's try kung tama yung sagot mo. Dehan, may sagot ka na? What's your k?
1 po yung akin.
Okay, so yung kay Jehan, 8k is equal to 1. How about the others? Yes,
1 po pa rin.
1 din. So, KBN is 1. So, let's see paano siya naging 1. So, magkakaroon tayo ng p of negative 3 is equal to, this is negative 27. So, plus 9 plus, again, negative 3 cubed by 27 tapos 3 times negative 3 squared is positive 9 tapos negative 3 and negative k and negative 3 is positive 3k minus 3 tapos p of negative 3 Shehan, naka-ano ko. Yan. So, magkakaroon tayo na negative 27 plus 9 minus 3. The answer will be positive 3. Negative 3. Product. So, magkakaroon tayo na negative 3 tapos plus 3k. Tapos ito, palitan natin siya ng 0. So, 3 plus 3k. Balik natin, lipat natin doon. So, magkakaroon tayo ng positive 3 is equal to 3k. Divide both sides by 3. So, okay, the answer will be k is equal to 1. Kasi 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Question? Ano naman? What's your answer, Aline? Aline Kit, what's your answer?
1 din po.
Okay, 1.